Hi, my name is Roger Schluter. This video is actually about tax refund loans. Tax refund loans are loans given by most of the major tax preparation services like H&R Block, TurboTax, Jackson Hewitt. Usually they don't really have interest rates, but they are taken out of your tax refund. They are also called refund advances. These tax refund loans work out good if you pay to get your tax done. You get them prepared normally. If you're getting your taxes prepared by a company just to get the loan, then the cost of the preparation is really almost like paying interest, so you might as well not get it. The tax refund loans are given around tax time, and they're usually from $250 to $4,000. When I'm recording this video, it's actually on New Year's Eve, believe it or not. So anyway, you can tell I don't have much to do. They are not going to give you the maximum amount on your tax refund, but approximately 50% or less of your tax refund amount. The company can get your loan or advance pretty quickly, like in a day or a few days, into your bank account or onto a cash card. The loan amount will be deducted from your refund, and then you will get whatever's left over when you get your tax, your money back from the government. Tax preparers usually have a minimum amount of refund before you can get an advance. Usually it's around $500 to $600 in refund to qualify for the tax refund loan. The big three preparation offices, make you file your taxes through them to get it. Some also have a early tax refund that really starts in December, so I'm a little late on that, but it actually runs through, I think, the middle of January, where it does have an interest rate, and sometimes it can be kind of high, like a 30% APR. Now the APR is the 30% is if the loan was given for a year, it would be that much. So it's really not going to be, you're not going to notice it that much if you have it for a short period of time. Preparation companies get their money through a bank, and the credit score qualifications are usually very low or practically non-existent because they're basically taking it out of your refund you're going to get. So there's low risk there. Most will put the money on a prepaid card. There's pros and cons of using a tax refund loan. The pros are, often there's no hard credit pull. They are usually interest-free unless you get it early, unless you get it between, the December 15 through January 15. And those probably will have an interest rate, and they will tell you that before you get it. And then getting the money is usually really fast and usually on a cash card. So it's very easy to do. The cons, you will have to pay a tax preparation fee through whatever company you go through. So anyway, if you go ahead and have your taxes prepared by one of the big ones anyway, you might as well go ahead. You can go ahead and avail yourself to it. Also, I think one of the other cons would be you may be required to open an account or a debit card. And then the third con would basically be the loan is subtracted from the IRS tax refund. So it's, you're really just getting your money a little early is what you're doing. You're really not getting a loan. Alternatives. You can actually go to your local bank, credit union, or a lending institution and get a loan that you'll pay off when you get your tax refund from the government. And those would probably have fees, or definitely would have an interest rate if it's from a bank. Payday loans are online lenders. If you go through them, be prepared to pay some high interest rates, kind of like up to 30 to 40% APR. Now, APR is like you had the loan all year. So it's not going to be, 30 or 40% of the amount. It's going to be 30, 40% of the amount for 1 year, and then you reduce it by whatever you're using, how many months you're using or whatever. So anyway, I would look at least 2 to 3 different vendors to find the best one for you, unless you already have your taxes prepared by one of these and you want to use them. I'd look at least 2 to 3 different vendors to find the best one for you. So anyway, that's it. They're very easy to get. There's a lot of people that do it, but you do have to have your taxes prepared by that entity, whether it would be TurboTax, H&R Block, or the other one would be Jackson Hewitt. So anyway, please subscribe And if you, and hit the notification bells if you want to be notified of future videos. If you learned something for this video, like I did, you might want to go ahead and hit the like button. And then my name is Roger Schlueter, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.